I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Torts by Chi. Torts by Chi is known for their delicious freshly homemade tortas and torta flan, and now they also have cookies too. Kanang mag-picture pa man ta kanino pero na-excite kumukaon kay marag fluffy and so creamy jud kaayo siya. And aside from their known torta flan, now they also have a mango float flan. So yes guys, when you thought nga ang torta butangan og leche flan lami na, wait, kay naa-joy mango float nga butangan og leche flan. And for their cookies, they have a chocolate chip cookie, oatmeal choco chips, and they also have this to the moon and back around again cookies and a chocolate oatmeal drops. To order, you may just message their official social media accounts, and all orders are on a pre-order basis. You can have a dozen of large tortas for 600 pesos and a dozen of small tortas for 300 pesos. And minimum order for the small tortas are 2 boxes. Torta flan is at 150 pesos ug ang mango float flan at 180 pesos. For the chocolate chip cookies ug ang oatmeal cookies, you can have it for 400 pesos per dozen, and to the moon and back and around again cookies kay 420 pesos per dozen. And for that, mga on nagdayon ta guys. And yes, mura kunwari nga ko ni kaon ganina no. Kay fluffy jud kay siya guys, and grabe siya ka-creamy nga wala kakapugong. Honestly, this is already my third torta. And now I am trying their torta flan. So again, torta, nya na leche flan, perfect jud kaayo. So sugar on sugar, pero worth it. And now let's try the mango float flan. So kani siya, do I really have to explain it? Mango float itself is love. Butangan pa nimo og leche flan. Well, perfect. And now I am trying their cookies. I'm actually galibog na ko kung unsa ni sila, but well, this is the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie, the chocolate oatmeal drops. Sure, definitely ko kaning to the moon and back and around again cookies nga murag Reese peanut butter flavored. Well, the best. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.